For humanity, the night sky has always been a canvas of mystery and possibility. Since the dawn of civilization, countless generations have looked upward, crafting myths, measuring stars, and seeking to understand the cosmos that envelopes us. The stars, scattered like jewels across the darkness, have not only been markers for navigation or the basis for calendars, they have been invitations. Invitations to dream, to explore, and ultimately to transcend the limits of our terrestrial existence. Among those distant beacons, the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest spiral neighbor, shines as a beacon of both hope and challenge. At roughly 2.5 million light-years away, it lies beyond the reach of any current technology, yet tantalizingly close in the vastness of the universe, a reminder of the next grand frontier awaiting humanity's curiosity and courage. Grasping the magnitude of this distance is to confront the true scale of the universe and the limits imposed by the fundamental laws of physics. Light, the fastest traveler we know, takes 2.5 million years to journey from Andromeda to us. This duration is far beyond human lifespans, far beyond recorded history, even far beyond the span of life on Earth as we know it. To imagine a spacecraft traveling to Andromeda within a human lifetime is to envision a future where our mastery of physics and engineering has leapt beyond the bounds of current understanding. Yet, the reality of cosmic distances has not extinguished the human drive to explore. Our history is filled with stories of bold voyagers who set sail into the unknown, propelled by curiosity and hope. In the 15th century, European explorers crossed oceans that were once thought endless and impassable. In the 20th century, humans broke the bonds of Earth's gravity, walked on the moon, and sent robotic emissaries to the edges of the solar system. Each time, new technology and unyielding spirit turned what was once impossible into reality. Today, as we gaze toward Andromeda, similar ambitions challenge us on a vastly greater scale. The most formidable barrier remains the universal speed limit set by Einstein's theory of relativity. Nothing can travel faster than light. This cosmic speed limit is not just a speed limit in the conventional sense. It reflects the structure of space-time itself. As an object approaches the speed of light, the energy required to continue accelerating grows without bound, effectively making faster-than-light travel impossible with conventional propulsion. However, theoretical physicists have proposed imaginative frameworks that could one day unlock the stars. One such idea is the warp drive, a concept derived from Einstein's equations that involves compressing space ahead of a spacecraft and expanding it behind, allowing the ship to effectively ride a wave of warped spacetime. This approach sidesteps the local speed limit by altering the geometry of space itself, rather than propelling the craft through space conventionally. Though no experimental evidence currently supports the existence of the exotic matter required for such a drive, matter with negative energy density, the idea remains a beacon of hope for interstellar and intergalactic travel, inspiring research and speculation. Until such breakthroughs arrive, the notion of generationships captures the imagination as a plausible, if daunting, way forward. These massive vessels would be self-sufficient worlds adrift in the void, housing entire populations tasked with carrying humanity's legacy across the centuries or millennia necessary to reach other galaxies. On board these ships, life would unfold in cycles of birth, growth, and death, generations removed from the Earth they left behind. The societal structures, culture, and collective memory of such communities would evolve in unprecedented ways, shaped by the constraints and opportunities of life aboard a spaceship. The ethical and psychological dimensions of generation-ship travel pose profound questions. Would the descendants of the original crew see themselves as voyagers or as inhabitants of a new world? How would hope and purpose be sustained over timescales that dwarf any individual's experience? What governance models could ensure social cohesion, justice, and well-being in a closed environment? These challenges require not only engineering solutions, but deep insights from psychology, sociology, and philosophy. At the same time, advances in robotics and artificial intelligence suggest a complementary pathway to exploring Andromeda and beyond. Unlike biological beings, machines and AI systems do not suffer from the limitations of aging or resource consumption in the same way. They can be designed for durability, adaptability, and autonomy, capable of surviving harsh cosmic environments and prolonged missions lasting thousands or millions of years. Future AI explorers might even be endowed with forms of consciousness or digital minds, representing a new frontier of existence, where identity transcends biology. Yet, even as technology pushes the boundaries of possibility, the deeper human longing to find life elsewhere persists. If there is life in Andromeda, be it microbial or intelligent, it would radically transform our understanding of biology and our place in the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just a scientific endeavor, but a profound quest for meaning. It connects us across time and space to other forms of consciousness, challenging us to reconsider what it means to be alive, aware, and connected in the cosmos. The Andromeda Galaxy itself is a dynamic and evolving system. It is on a slow collision course with our own Milky Way, an event predicted to occur in roughly 4 billion years. When these two great galaxies merge, they will create a new, larger galaxy and trigger waves of star formation, reshaping the structure of the local universe. Though this cosmic dance is far beyond human time frames, it illustrates the ever-changing nature of the universe, a universe in which we are but a fleeting presence. Amidst these immense challenges and cosmic rhythms, the dream of traveling to Andromeda remains a testament to human resilience and imagination. It is a dream born of hope, a hope that we can transcend our origins and become cosmic citizens, weaving our stories into the fabric of the universe. It is a dream that inspires generations of scientists, engineers, philosophers, and visionaries to push the boundaries of knowledge and capability. Looking forward, the journey to Andromeda asks us to reflect on the very nature of exploration. It reminds us that exploration is not only about reaching new destinations, but about expanding the horizons of what it means to be human. It is about curiosity, courage, creativity, and the willingness to embrace uncertainty. It is about building bridges, not just between stars and galaxies, but between generations, cultures, and ideas. In the end, the quest to reach Andromeda is also a story about ourselves. It asks us who we are in the vast cosmic ocean, what legacies we hope to leave, and how we choose to face the infinite possibilities of the universe. As we stand beneath the night sky and gaze at the faint glow of Andromeda, we are reminded that the universe is both immense and intimate, a place of profound mystery and boundless opportunity. The stars call to us not just as distant lights, but as invitations to dream, to explore, and to become part of a story far greater than any one of us. The journey to Andromeda may be long, uncertain, and fraught with challenges, but it is a journey worth imagining. For in dreaming of the stars, we discover the limitless potential of the human spirit.